Okay, so far so good. Intake bolts loose. I'll pop them out and see if I can get this intake tube off. That guy in there is boogered up a little bit. Shouldn't be too bad. Oh man, that sucks. Alright, got the tin off. Got the water blown out. Put this guy on here. It moves. So I guess I have to see. Valve covers. Pulling the exhaust manifold, valve covers. Flip it over. Pull the oil pan thingy off. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see, but it moves. So I just pulled the valve covers. One of the valve covers had what looked like fresh oil in it. The other looked like it had oil in it. Dipstick had oil in it. Pulled the rocker arms. Could get it. Finally got it to spin 180 degrees around. It was like, I don't know, 10 degrees from going 180 degrees around either way. But did get it to spin around. And at that point, there is a little bit of poof coming out of this guy right here, out of the intake. So I figured I had to pull the heads off anyway. And the cylinders don't look terrible. They're serviceable. A few of the oil rings were stuck. There's some blow by. My dumbass broke one of the oil rings trying to unstick it. If I hadn't have broke that oil ring, this thing would have ran. Yeah.